The locksmiths at Locksmith in Hoboken, New Jersey are whizzes. There's no permutation of woes that are insurmountable to our masterful locksmiths. We are specialists with residential apartment locks and bedroom lockouts. It's possible that you have a delinquent neighbor and a poor-sighted property owner, leading to the inevitable instance where you become locked out of your apartment or have to experience a residential lockout. Maybe your property owner mistakenly barred you from your apartment because he thought you didn't pay the rent, and you are not actually an irresponsible tenant. Alternatively, maybe the property owner went so far as to go into your residence and lock you out of your bedroom. We are licensed by New Jersey to get you back in quickly and quietly in the middle of the night. We work very, very quietly. So call us at Locksmith in Hoboken, New Jersey, 201-706-7087.